Google Forms includes several types of questions. In this video, you will learn how to create a Google form using different question types. You can create the standard free text response question, multiple choice, checkboxes, and drop-downs. You can also create a linear scale question, a multiple choice grid, a checkbox grid, a question requiring a date or time as the entry, or even have a question for participants to upload a file. Let's start by creating a new form in our Google Drive. To create a new form in your Google Drive, you'll first click the New button in Drive and then go down to More. Now you'll see Google Forms as an option. Select Google Forms. The first thing you want to do when creating a form is to give it a title. To do so, backspace the words Untitled Form and enter the name of your form. Now we can start adding questions. By default, you will have one multiple choice question ready to start with. Let's edit the first question. We need to change untitled question to the question we want to ask. Next, we will enter the different multiple choice selections. You can add as many as you would like. Take a look at the bottom of the question. Here we have the option to duplicate the question, delete the question, make it required, which means the person filling out the form cannot submit until all required questions are answered, and then also a menu of advanced options. To the right of the question, we can change the question type where it says multiple choice. Let's keep this one as a multiple choice question and make it required. Now we are ready to add a new question. To create a new question, we click the plus sign in the toolbar to the right. Let's change this question type to a checkbox option. Click where it says multiple choice, and now select checkboxes. If you have a list of items in a Google Doc that you want as your options, you can simply copy and paste them all in at once. Let's go ahead and try. Once you have all of your questions created, it is a good idea to preview your form. To preview your form, click the eyeball to the left of the Send button in the upper right-hand corner. A new tab will open and we can see a preview of our form. Once we have responses to our form, we can go to the Responses tab to view them. In the Responses tab, we can see a summary of the questions, individual responses, or responses by question. If we need to look at the responses in a spreadsheet to analyze the data, we can click the spreadsheet icon in the upper right-hand corner of the viewing area. Click the Create Spreadsheet option. You will be prompted to create a new spreadsheet or select an existing spreadsheet that you would like these results to go into. Let's create a new spreadsheet. Click Create. From here, we can use what we learned in the Google Sheets section to analyze this data.